Welcome again. Welcome to this next video lecture. So in this current video lecture we are going to study honesty and truthfulness. Last video in last video we observed what patriotism means. What is the quality of patriotism? What kind of that emotional attachment towards the nation we have? Those things are being discussed in last video lecture. Right now we are going to study what is honesty and truthfulness and what is the importance of these two human values in our life. So first of all, let us see what is the real meaning of honesty. Okay, so honesty is when you speak the truth and act truthfully. That is called here honesty. Many children think honesty means you don't tell a lie, and speaking the truth is a big part of being honest. Okay, but honesty means more than not lying. Honesty means your actions are truthful too. Okay, so your actions are also important here. Sorry. So why honesty is important? Our next question may be why honesty is important. So honesty is not just telling about the truth, it's about being real with yourself and others, about who you are, what you want and what you need to live your most authentic life. So honesty promotes openness, empowers us and enables us to develop consistency in how we present the facts. Okay, so that's why honesty is important. Okay, we cannot say, we cannot tell lies, rather we tell the truth. Okay, and it is we should be real with yourself, ourselves, as well as others. That is a part of honesty, and it is very important in our life. Again, we know that the definition of honesty is of someone or something that is truthful, trustworthy or genuine. An example of honesty is someone telling their friend that a meal they prepared had too much salt. That is the example of honest. An example of honesty is a student admitting they cheated on a test. That is a part of honesty. Okay, again, is honest a strength? Yes, it is a strength. See, honest allows people to take responsibility for their feelings and behaviors, owning them, reaping benefits by doing so. And honesty is a strength within the virtue category of courage, one of 6 virtues that categorize the 24 strength. There are 24 strengths. It is said that. And what are the qualities of honest? Honesty is a facet of moral character that connotes positive and virtuous attributes such as integrity, truthfulness, straightforwardness, including straightforwardness of conduct along with the absence of lying, cheating, theft, etc. So, honesty also involves being trustworthy, loyal, fair, and sincere. Okay, and what is the truthfulness? Hmm? So, honest and truthfulness are not the same thing. Being honest means not telling lies. Being truthful means actively making known all the full truth of a matter. There is a difference. If someone knowingly says something that isn't true, they are telling a lie. But if they unknowingly say something that isn't true, they are being honest. Okay, so these are the several connotations we observed here. So see here, truthfulness means speaking of what a person knows without hiding any information. And honest covers a great arena: chastity, honor, straightforwardness, moral or ethical strength. It is a moral or ethical strength. Again, a truthful person may not care about chastity, but an honest person is required to be such, to have that chastity. So is the case with honor and straightforwardness. Okay, something truthful. I think you got the difference. What is truthfulness? Means not telling lies. But something is there to tell lie. Why? For the betterment of someone. And we also accept that mistake or lie, and that is a part of honesty. So they are closely related. However, honesty is a broader concept. Truthfulness means that you tell the truth when asked. Honesty means that you act fairly as well, such as not stealing or cheating it in exam. If cheated in an exam and told people, you'd be truthful but not honest. Okay, and generally people who do not act fairly lie in order to cover it up, so distinction is not necessary here. hmm? We should be honest as well as we should be truthfulness to ourselves as well as to others. Again, examples of touchy situations, you will say that what would you say when your friend or student is madly in love with someone who doesn't suit her? Then what will you say at that time? Again, think over it. When you don't think your friend or student is capable of achieving the goal he sets, for example passing an exam, when you don't think, what would you say when you don't think your friend is capable of achieving the goal he sets? Means it is not capable for your friend to achieve that goal. For example, to pass the exam, it is a goal, and if you think that it is not capable for him, toughest exams are there and it is not capable for your friend to pass it, then what do you feel? Will you be share your feelings with that student, your friend, or not? So it is a part of trustworthiness and honesty. Again, what will you say when you know a truth, for example a family death which is too cruel for a child? What will you say at that time? Think over it. Again, what will you say when being honest means revealing your weakness? Being honest means revealing to weakness to the ones who trust and or depend on you. Suppose your friend has some weaknesses and you don't want to expose it, then it is not a part of trustworthiness, because in future that weakness will hamper him, will be a great danger for him. But if you make aware your friend in advance about that weakness, then he will be aware and he will improve his personality. So it is a part of honesty. Okay, so think over it. These are the touchy situations where you have to be honest as well as truthfulness with your friend, with your students. Okay, isn't it? So think over it. Again, how can you tell when someone is not telling you the whole truth? How will you behave at that time when someone is not telling you, sharing you the truth? What is happening? What is the exact situation? How will you behave at that time? Think over it, because you are going to show either honesty or truthfulness. Then are you always truthful? Think that, are you always truthful or not? Are you always honest or not? So these are the things or questions that retroplex, that ask you, that compel you to introspect about your personality. Then how do you feel when you have been dishonest with someone? Sometimes you feel you are not loyal to your friend, you are not honest to your friend. Then how do you feel? How do you feel? You feel guilty, isn't it? So it is a part of your personality. Then how do you feel when someone has been dishonest with you? How do you feel when someone has been dishonest with you? You will feel angry. So these are the several situations, touchy situations, where you have to introspect. Okay. Again, what does truthfulness mean? Okay. My next question is that, what does truthfulness mean? It is the quality of being honest and not containing or telling any lie. I believe I have earned a reputation for truthfulness and fairness. That is the meaning of truthfulness. Again, is honesty and truth are the same thing? Honesty describes what someone does. Trust describes an emotion. You might feel trust towards someone because they are honest. You can be trustworthy and you can feel that someone has been honest with you, isn't it? So, what are the benefits of truthfulness? What are the benefits of truthfulness? You don't have to remember your lies. If you are truth to yourself, then you don't have to remember your lies. Again, you will earn trust and respect if you share the truth with your friend, with your colleague. You will earn trust and respect. Your friend will trust you always. Your friend will give you respect always because you always speak the truth. Another benefit of telling the truth is that you will create deeper connection with people. You will create deeper connections with people. There are several people who connected with you, or you are connected with people. Why? Because you are truthful with those people and other people are truthful with you. That's why there is a connection. Again, you will feel more confident. If you tell the truth, you will feel yourself more confident. Again, trust creates opportunities. If you speak the truth, it creates trust, and again trust creates opportunities. Again, it lying takes energy. To speak lie takes energy, but it doesn't want to spare extra energy here because you speak truth. Again, you won't get caught lying because you are obviously speaking truth, and truth attracts truth. So these are the several benefits of telling the truth. Okay. Again, then how do you show truthfulness? How do you show truthfulness? That think before you speak. There are several ways to demonstrate honesty. Think before you speak. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Bend over backward to communicate in an open and honest fashion, and simply your statements so that everyone clearly understands your message. Simplify your statements. Whatever you are speaking, just simply simplify your statements so that everyone clearly understands your message. Tell it like it is rather than sugarcoating it. Tell the fact. Don't use sweet words there. Rather, tell the fact and present both sides of each issue to engender objectivity. So, these are the several ways to demonstrate honesty. Again, several questions are raised here again. Why is honesty so difficult at times? You feel that someone will hurt you or you will hurt someone, so you will feel difficulty to be honest. Then he describes a situation in which you appreciate people being honest or dishonest with you. Describe those questions regarding honesty. Then how can you be honest and not hurt someone? Is dishonesty ever justifiable? So these are several questions who are regarding honesty. So these things we observed here. Again, there are so many things regarding the truthfulness. Why is it important to be honest and truthful? So honesty leads to a fulfilling, free life. Honesty is not just about telling the truth, it's about being real with yourself and others, about who you are, what you want, what you need to live your most authentic life. And honesty sharpens our perception and allows us to observe everything around us with clarity. So, it is very important to be honest and truthful. Again, who is called here truthful person? Truthful person is the one that always speaks, uses or professes the truth. It is the value. It is a value that must be formed very clearly in children. And as any value, it can be worked on in all their activities, either at school or at home. Okay. Again, should you always be honest? Here are few reasons why you should always be honest. The truth will always come out. So by lying, you are only buying time. You are sparing time, energy, but it will probably be worse when it's revealed that you lied as well. You will feel better about yourself if you are honest and open. So that's all we study in this current video lecture regarding honesty and truthfulness. I hope you will be honest and truthful with your partners, with your colleagues, with your friends, with your parents, with your teachers. Okay, let us stop here. Thank you.